First of all, I want to say thank you to my beautiful wife for this birthday present. She really knows what I've been wanting for my setup. I've been gaming on the Asus TUF VG249Q3A, a 24-inch 1080p monitor with 180Hz. That's why today is so special. I will be upgrading my 1080p monitor, the Asus TUF, to my new monitor, the Asus ROG XG27 SES. Just a disclaimer though, this is not a review video, it's just an unboxing and setup video, and mostly about me sharing my setup and my new things about my gaming peripherals. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I will be making more videos about that in the future, and this video will be the first of that many videos to come. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Carrying this thing inside, honestly, I expected it to be heavier, but it's pretty manageable. Definitely not the kind of box that makes you break a sweat. And of course, Milo is already here, acting like he's my assistant for this unboxing. He probably thinks this monitor's his now. Once I get past all the bubble wrap, Asus actually did a nice job protecting everything. Nothing feels loose or risky inside. You get the usual stuff inside the box, some ROG stickers, a little bag that neatly holds the cables. The stand is solid, but since I'm using a VESA arm for my setup, I'm not going to use it right now. Once it's on the arm and powered up, this is where it really shows why I wanted this upgrade. Even just on the desktop, the colors pop and the motion is buttery smooth when you move windows around. Now jumping into Valorant, this is where it actually matters. The performance lines up perfectly with my GPU, frames are steady, I get into like 300 to 400 frames per second, input feels instant, and the motion clarity is exactly what I was missing before in my old monitor. Overall, this monitor feels like the kind of upgrade that makes every part of my setup comes together, lines up perfectly. The visual are crisp, the performance just line up perfectly with my current GPU, my RTX 4070 Super, and honestly, it just makes me want to sit here and play even longer.